Hello everyone, I'm Benjamin, and today I'll be giving a quick tutorial of how to install Claude Code via the extension of Visual Studio Code. So to get started, you would have to download Visual Studio Code on your Windows or MacBook or Linux, and when you have that downloaded, you would have a Visual Studio Code just like this. And the first things first I would like to do is, let's say you want to have a new file, just call it index.html. Get that correct. Just put in my downloads, create a file. Let's say you have the file just like this. Let's start with this. You come to extensions and you type for Claude Code and you hit install. Right, so Claude Code is installed. You open the right panel, you search for Claude Code. You will see something like this. Let's just exit this. I'm currently logged in, but I would like to, let's say, switch your account. This is what you see when you don't have an account logged in already and you want to use Claude Code, your Claude Code subscription. You would need to click on this. When you click on this, it opens up the browser and then you log in through that. For now, I do have a Claude Code account. So I've logged back into Claude Code, and for now, we'll try to do a project. So for this, we'll just say just testing it out. So yeah, a simple landing page for, let's say, a to-do list app. Yeah. Kind of just give it any name. So yeah, let's go. Let's see how it performs. And yeah, Claude Code is done. It's created a landing page for Tally, which is a mobile to-do list app. So let's quickly check it out. I have it open here on the browser, and wow, this is actually very good. It looks really good. Yeah. So I mean, this is Claude Code. It's just done Claude Code things. But mind you, just to give a last recap, I did use Sonnet. You could use Opus if you want, which is higher, and then you could have probably better results, and you could give more prompts into it and you have better results. So that's all for me, just to make this video short, and I'll see you in the next one. Hope you subscribe, like, share, follow. Thank you.